Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and signing into the same Apple ID. That's essential because Sidecar uses authenticated connections. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and enable handoff in Settings and System Preferences. Once done, place the iPad near the Mac, and on the Mac, open AirPlay or Sidecar Preferences. Select the iPad as a display. Do this now so your devices can discover one another. Without these steps, the connection will fail before you try to connect. You connect through the AirPlay icon or display's preferences, choose your iPad and wait for the screen to extend. Once connected, decide whether to mirror or extend. Extend gives extra desktop space, mirror copies the Mac display. Make sure you position the iPad logically in display settings so your cursor flows correctly. Adjust resolution for performance versus clarity. Also enable sidebar and touch bar options. This configures modifier keys and quick tools, and makes Apple Pencil act as input, perfect for drawing and precise controls. To finish your session, save work and disconnect from the AirPlay menu or unplug a wired connection. That cleanly returns controls to the Mac. You can use Apple Pencil as a precise pointer, and touch gestures on the iPad map to Mac actions. Learn a couple and you'll be faster. If connection issues arise, reboot both devices, verify you're on the same Apple ID, and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If a wired connection is used, try a different cable. These quick fixes resolve most Sidecar problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.